So Philip Morris reported their earnings on January 30th, and price action was muted. Now, if you've been following my videos, I probably did a video on Philip Morris a couple of months ago, and we had this huge monthly buy level get formed, and that was based on this rally in price, huge basing candle, and then the rally out. Price comes back, penetrates the zone, pushing price action all the way down to the bottom of the zone into a daily buy level, nested within this monthly buy level before moving higher. And we did have another level just below that. So this was a level on top of a level, nested within levels within levels. So amazing area to go long between 120 and roughly 110. Before we continue with the analysis, we're going to drill down to the weekly and then back to the daily. Let's get into the actual results. So Philip Morris reported fourth-quarter earnings that met analyst expectations, while revenue came in slightly above estimates. The tobacco giant also provided full-year 2025 earnings guidance that was largely in line with Wall Street forecasts. The company posted earnings per share of $1.29 for Q4, matching the analyst consensus estimate. Revenue for the quarter was $5.11 billion, surpassing the $5.04 billion analysts were expecting. Looking ahead, the company forecasts 2025 EPS in the range of $5.22 and $5.37, which represents growth of roughly 2 to 5% from the 2024 base. The midpoint of the guidance range is slightly below the current analyst consensus of $5.35. The CEO said 2024 was another pivotal year for the company, headlined by meaningful progress towards their vision of strong financial results and significant cash returns to shareholders. Now, getting back to the analysis, this is the weekly chart. And this was that level that I was pointing to on the monthly chart. This is the weekly buy level. And I really need to button that up a little bit, because this is the rally, the basing candle, and then the rally out. And so I would have to change that to about 113. And now price is contending with all-time highs near that $130 level. The charts are suggesting, because price is still in an uptrend, that this level is going to be taken out in the coming weeks. Now let's drill down to the daily chart. Now, again, price is in an uptrend. You can look at the 200-day moving average, and we are in the about to have a breakout. Price is just basing, building up momentum before eventually you're going to see price move higher. That's what I'm anticipating. Now, below price, you do have another level of interest in the form of buyers. And that would be daily buyers at about the 123 level. But I want to examine how price returned to the zone and then left the zone. Here was that level I was referring to. You have a rally, base, rally, base. So you have a level on level. If I was to button that up a bit more, these would be the two levels on top of each other. And as you can see, although this is the monthly buy level, price penetrated deeper into the zone before pushing higher. Now for the ICT traders out there, you have a liquidity grab. Price takes out the pivot. A couple things you can do. You can wait for price to return to that equilibrium spot, or you could have went long on a candle close above. Nevertheless, as I suggested, and as the charts suggest, look for price to break out. We're building up. Next level, look for price to move higher. Look for another target. Your next target to come in at the $135 level. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.